In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for GPS location in Google Forms. Whether you're gathering data for a research project, organizing an event, or simply trying to pinpoint locations for any reason, using Google Forms to collect this kind of information is both efficient and straightforward. Let's dive right in so you can integrate location data into your forms efficiently. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Forms. If you haven't signed into your Google account yet, make sure to do so, as this will allow you to create and edit forms. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check that you're entering the correct credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Forms main page, ready to start creating a new form or editing an existing one. Next, click on the plus button to start a new form. This is located in the lower right corner of your screen. Once you're there, you'll see a blank form with the title Untitled Form at the top. Feel free to customize this title and add a description if needed. Remember, a clear title and description help your respondents understand the purpose of your form right from the start. Now, to start collecting GPS location data, you're going to want to include questions that prompt users to enter their coordinates or make use of their device's GPS capabilities. Although Google Forms doesn't have a direct feature to collect live location data, you can ask respondents for their coordinates or provide a link to an external map service where they can get their location details and enter them into the form. This is especially useful for surveys where pinpoint accuracy isn't critical, but a general location insight is still valuable. To add a question, click on the plus icon on the right side of the form. Here, you can enter the question text prompting users to provide their GPS location. Make sure to specify the format you need, such as, please provide your latitude and longitude coordinates in decimal form. You can select the short answer question type to make it easier for respondents to input this information. Also, consider setting the question as required. By toggling the required slider located at the bottom of the question box, you ensure that respondents can't submit the form without filling in their location details. This step guarantees that you collect the data necessary for your needs. Finally, before you publish your form, take some time to preview it by clicking the eye icon in the top menu. This allows you to experience the form from a respondent's perspective, ensuring everything looks good and functions as expected. Once you're satisfied, click the Send button to distribute your form via email, a direct link, or even embedding it into a website. With these steps completed, you now have a functioning Google form capable of collecting GPS location data. This method enables you to gather precise location information while leveraging the simplicity and accessibility of Google Forms. So go ahead, give it a try, and make those location-dependent projects a reality.